Good morning, everybody. How are you doing out there today? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. If you remember in our last video, James and I took a pool out of a backyard. It got hit by a windstorm and there's a lot of metal to it. Well, today is the day we're finally going to get to the scrapyard, drop that metal off, see how much money we make. And then I got a small job over in Davenport. Other than that, it's been pretty quiet because of the holiday. So anyway, let's get to it.
But I told her, I said,
All right, everybody, we are at the scrapyard. Starting to see some snow flurries. So the guy at the skid steer there said, the Bobcat, he said, here, just pull it out and I'll take care of it. Don't even worry about getting it on the pile. That's it, folks. All right, everyone, we got paid $200 to haul away that stuff, and we made an extra $35.65 on that metal. So not too shabby. Now I got to go do a job here by myself because James is a little busy this morning, and it's not a terrible job. I'm sure I can do it by myself. It's just going to take me a little bit longer, but that's okay. I don't have to split the money with anybody, right? Well, definitely not the ideal situation here for junk removal. Taking it slow and easy, but I fear if I don't get this done today, it may be another 4 or 5 days before we get some decent weather. So we're just going to push through it. So here's the situation. I bid that for $150. When I get here, I see that. So I call him out and I said, here's the deal. That's going to be more. I'll do that for $150. And he said, forget it. I'm like, great. I drove here in snow in this truck for nothing. So anyway, moving on. All right, everybody. All right, guys, we were at a clean out here today where we have a mattress, a refrigerator, and a couple of particle board cabinets. All right, guys, we got the refrigerator in and the mattress in. And if you see up front there, they asked me if I could take some particle board cabinets, which we just broke down to get, to make extra space. Not a big deal. We were there for about 20 minutes and we made $125. And yes, that is low, but it's like the only job that I've had in about a week, besides the one that we walked away from earlier in the video. So I got some free moving boxes out of there, some smalls and some mediums, which are always good. They're brand new, never been used, so those are always good in case you need to ship something. Or if we're at a job and we need to put a lot of loose stuff into boxes, there you go. So anyway, that's it for this trip. On to the next. What is going on, everybody? How are you doing out there today? I hope you are doing great. It snowed a lot here, as you can tell. But hey, it is what it is. Snow is good for when you're door dashing. Yes, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do a little bit of door dashing, and we're going to see how much money we can make before I got to get home and watch my Dallas Cowboys play. So let's go see how much money we can make today. All right, we were barely out of my neighborhood, barely out of the driveway, and I took the first order already. It is Long John Silver's $9 order going 9 miles. Now, what does that mean? They say a rule of thumb, you want to get $1 to $2 an hour a mile, so I am on the bottom side of that, but at the same time I want to get things rolling. All right, so I'm telling the DoorDash app what's going on. Walk-in closed due to short staffing, waiting at drive-through, which I am waiting at the drive-through here. So I think this is the only way to get the food at this point. So here it is. Let's get it. I got a DoorDash for Andrea G. All right, so next time that there's a John Silver's John Deere Long John Deere order, we're gonna maybe pass on it because yeah, that was kind of a mess. But hey, live and learn. This is only my second day. They did it 2 days ago or 3 days ago for, I think I made $27 in a little over an hour. So anyway, I'm enjoying it. All right, left at the door, took a picture. What did I learn from this? Pay attention. That was a third floor apartment, 9 minutes away, 9 miles away the whole trip. Probably wasn't worth it, but hey, on to the next. All right, getting back into the heavier trafficked area of town here. I picked up another job. It's only $6.50, but it's 4 miles. And it's a quick pickup here at Hardee's, 3 items, and it's delivering to another hotspot area. So as opposed to this first job I did, it took me to a dead area. So I kind of had to deadhead back with nothing in the car. This will not be that case. So why am I dashing today? Let's talk a little bit about that. First of all, it's 7 degrees outside. That's 1. 2, I'd be doing it by myself, and sometimes it's just not as much fun when Bob's not around. 3, I don't have a vehicle other than this one. This is my wife's vehicle. The van is going to the scrap yard, and I'm buying a new vehicle later this week. So anyway, and then when I say new vehicle, I mean new to me. So I thought I would just take this opportunity to learn from James, go out and do some DoorDash, see what it's like, and see if it can't give me a little toy money. Why not, right? So as I was pulling into Hardee's here, a second order popped up, so I took it. So apparently we're picking up 2 orders and making 2 deliveries from Hardee's. All right, so we got out of Hardee's really quickly with both orders, so that was kind of cool. It's the first time I've ever doubled up on an order like that. Again, it's only my second day ever doing this, so it's probably pretty common. All the way at the end of the hallway, from one end all the way to the other, for $3. Whoop-de-doo! Nah, it's okay, because combined with the other order, it's $9. So hey, so far we're up to 18 and change for, I don't know, 30 minutes of work. Okay, so I just passed up 3 jobs, and I'm going to talk about them here in just a little bit. All right, let's talk about this one here from McAllister's. It was 6.5 miles. James says as a rule of thumb, you need to get at least $1 a mile, so that would not have been $6.50. So I passed on that. That was a little bit of a drive. Again, based on that, we had a delivery from Chipotle for 2 items, 9 miles for $5. According to James' rule of thumb, that should have been a $9 to $10 delivery. Again, that's why I skipped that one. And Hy-Vee Grocery, 4.8 miles. Yeah, it kind of makes 5.25. I guess that would have been over $1 a mile. I've never done the Hy-Vee Grocery delivery, so maybe that's one I should have taken. James does say that when you do these grocery deliveries, there's tend to be more tips on the back end that you don't see. So I think next time I'm offered a Hy-Vee Grocery delivery, I'll probably take it just to see how much money we do end up getting. That was a real quick pickup there at the Hungry Hobo. In and out real quick. We are 6 minutes away from our destination, so let's go get paid.
Continue straight to stay on Avenue of the Cities.
So I just dropped off that order from Hungry Hobo, and got another notification for another delivery from Hardee's. And at this point, I am less than a mile from Hardee's. The whole job is going to be less than 2 miles. So it's like a mile to Hardee's, grab it, take it a mile. It's only $4.25, but that's $2 per mile. So if you start breaking it down per mile, that's a quick money. So just went into Hardee's. I was just freaking there, and they shut their doors now. What the heck is going on with all these places shutting their damn doors? Why is the door shut?
Moline closes at 2.
Oh, I didn't know. Every day?
Yes.
Oh, is that new?
9 to 2 days.
I didn't know that. Okay, just dropped off that order from Hardee's, and the phone pinged right away. $6 job going
Turn right
to
onto 36th Avenue.
McDonald's, which is literally a stone's throw from here, so that worked out pretty good. Quick in and out again. I like that. Looking all over that place there for the address, and I finally see it above the garage door, barely, but yeah, I got it delivered. All right, so how much money did we make today? Let's take a look. Okay, so it looks like I made 6 deliveries today for a whopping $36.50. It was under 2 hours by 6 minutes. And if I hadn't taken that really long first one, that was a long drive, I might have been able to squeeze 40 out of it. My buddy James, he makes well over $20 an hour. So, but you know what? My second day doing it for 2 hours, making $36.50, I am not going to complain about that at all. In total, for the 2 days I've done it, which was December 27th and today, January 2nd, are the 2 days that I've done it, I've made almost $60, and I'm pretty happy with that, really. And, you know, again, don't have a vehicle right now. I mean, the truck is full of scrap metal. I don't have the van. Can't go dumpster diving. It's pretty cold. People aren't cleaning stuff out right now. The junk removal jobs have gotten really slow right now. So anyway, all in all, this is a really good option for me right now. So I guess what I want to know in the comments is, did you like it? Would you like to see more of this? I don't know how much time I'm going to have to be able to dedicate to doing a DoorDash. But you know what? I love side hustles. I love making a little extra cash, especially when it can buy me a new toy or two. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks for being a part of this channel. Peace out. Have a great week, and we will see you very shortly. Bye-bye.